Welcome to Cannes. This is your living area, and I'm taking this from the loft, which is also a lovely area if you happen to have 4 people coming or a family. And off the loft, they have their own sink as well as a lovely bathtub shower area here, which is very nice. They also have their setup here. We have an office, and it's not been unusual for a child to have a little sleep here, which overlooks the master bedroom downstairs, which also overlooks Rue Commandant André. You are right in the middle of everything. There are air conditioning units, by the way, in the master bedroom as well as in the living area. So there's 2 units, which is really helpful in the summer. The stairs can be a bit of a interesting bit, the way they fit them in, and if you're tall, you're going to want to be careful when you get to the top. And this takes you into the master, which also has a shower and sink area, as well as, of course, the overlooking. They're setting up for dinner right now. You are right in the middle of everything, or what is known in Cannes as the banana area. And here's the kitchen, which hopefully you will find completely stocked for you. And by the way, this is very strictly non-smoking. We do have a dishwasher, fridge, of course, laundry, which is a washer and dryer in one unit, which is really nice for those day trips. You come back and your laundry is done. Microwave toaster. It has pots and pans, dishes, hopefully everything you need to cook and enjoy yourself while you're here. There are these 4 of the lovely stools, so you can sit around the counter and have a glass of wine and some cheese and dinner or whatever. And then you have the living area, which also has the television, which does have CNN and BBC, etc. And, of course, another incredible French door. The toilet, in case you haven't seen it, you're wondering where it is actually right here at the entrance. And this is what they call a WC. And also, this is 1 floor up, so you'll need to walk 1 floor up. And they call it the first floor here, but what Americans call the first floor is floor 0. So welcome to Cannes.